Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm Alicia, and today we have a Torrid try-on inside the dressing room. Who's excited? Me, because I love Torrid. I just do. I love trying things on from there because I always leave feeling excited about my body and my outfits that I can make. You know what I mean? It's just nice to be able to go shopping to a store and not feel disappointed, and that's where Torrid is for me. It's like my happy place. So yeah, if you want to see me try on some Torrid clothes, definitely stick around. Give this video a like if you do like it at the end, and definitely subscribe for more fashion content, some more try-ons we love. And don't forget to comment below and let me know any other try-ons you want to see, because I am on a try-on frenzy. I want to try on everything from everywhere. Just let me know where you would like to see it from and we will go ham on it. Is that still a phrase? I don't know. But without further ado, let's get into the video. All right, so we start this try-on off right by trying on our favorite, my favorite anyway, the, drum roll please, bombshell skinny. Yes, you heard it right. The bombshell skinny is my favorite, and I tried it on in a size 22 and it fit perfect. 22 is my go-to size of jean there, so that's perfect that it fit. That's a good thing. So yeah, fit great. I mean, fit like any other bombshell skinny. Loved it. Super comb, super cute. 10 out of 10, would recommend. And I definitely tried these on because there was a lot of tops that I wanted to try on, and I was like, I'm wearing a dress, so I definitely need some pants to put on and try on. And I tried these on and of course I fell in love with them. I mean, how can you not? They're so cute. Rips and all that. How can you not fall in love with those? Oh, and surprise, at the end, I forgot, I do have a haul. I do have a little bit of a haul for you guys. I did buy a few of the items, and this time, I know last time, or one of the times in my Torrid hauls slash try-ons, I was like, ooh, I'm gonna wait till the end, and then I kept telling you guys what I got. But this time I actually liked a lot of the stuff, but I did not buy everything I liked. So comment below as we go through the video and comment if you think I bought something or something like that. I just thought that might be fun. But yeah, comment if you think I bought something, and then at the end I'll tell you guys what I bought and I'll show you. And yeah, we'll just go from there. So these jeans, so cute. You know I love a bombshell skinny. Absolutely no complaints. 10 out of 10. So the first shirt is like it's like this actually. That's so funny. I didn't even realize that I was wearing like the same cut. But yeah, it's like I don't know what you call this cut, but it's a really cool cut that I'm actually loving lately. I almost would call it like a racer back, but not, but it's like round. I don't know. I mean, you obviously see it in the footage, but yeah, super cool neckline. I am absolutely adoring these necklines lately. We all know I love a high neckline, and so these are absolute perfection for me. And I loved the fabric, that like black and red, so cute. And with the jeans, it just went together so perfectly. I was like, This shirt made me feel like I was about to go to like a little tea party. It was like fancy, but also chill. And I loved that mixture because I feel like you could dress it down with jeans, kind of like in here, but you could also dress it up with work pants or maybe a skirt. I'm not so sure a skirt would, actually maybe if you wore like one of the tighter like black mini skirts, maybe you could do that. But I love that this shirt seems very versatile because it's like, it's kind of got a chill vibe, but also it can be fancy. Absolutely loved it. Definitely recommend. Oh, and I tried it on in a size 2 actually. Usually I wear a size 3, but they did not have a size 3. They only had 2 of them in the store, and I think one was a 2 and one was a 0. I feel like that happened in my last Torrid try on too. There was only a 2 and a 0, and I tried the 2 and the 2 worked. That's so funny. So yeah, I tried it on in a size 2 and it worked perfectly. Perfectly. So yeah, anyway, definitely recommend. Let's move on to the next shirt. So this shirt was a vibe. My vibe? Not so sure, but it was a vibe. It made me think of Easter time and like, I guess spring. This was weird. I was looking through things. I was like, oh, it's so bright and colorful. It's like kind of pastel, but also super bright. Love that for the shirt. So I grabbed it. It's in a size 3. I did feel like it almost was a little bit big on me. So I definitely could have gone down to a size 2, which I find that I can usually go down to a size 2 in their shirts if it's an empire waist type of shirt. So this I definitely could have tried in a size 2, but they didn't have it there. They only had this one shirt and it was in a size 3. Super cute colors, but on me, I don't hate it. I don't not like it. I don't not like it. I'm completely medium about it because there's parts of it I love and parts of it I don't. I can't decide if it's my vibe or if it's just like not my vibe. So you guys tell me in the comments below, what do you think of this shirt? Because I don't know. I can't decide. Is she, because all my shirts are she's. Is she or is she not? I need to do like, what is that? Is it a clover you do that or just flower in general? Just a flower in general. I used to do that all the time. Yeah. I'm gonna give it a 6 out of 10. This next one I tried on in a size 3 because again, it was over by the shirt that I had just previously tried on for you guys, and both of them were just in a 3 and they were the only ones there of themselves, so I just grabbed both of them because I liked the bright, like, fun colors. Again, this is the same thing. Like, I liked it, but there were also, I was like, I don't know. I was like, I don't know if I like it. I think there wasn't enough shape for me. I think that because it literally just went like from the boobs down, like it didn't even do like an empire waist, it just went whoosh. I think that's why I felt kind of off about it, because I was like, I already have like a big tum-tum. I don't want to make it look even like rounder and boxier and bigger. So I didn't like that it kind of like made me lose my waist and my shape and everything. I didn't love that. But then a part of me did like it. Not that I lost everything, but just like I liked the colors and I liked the vibe and I liked how comfortable it was. I mean, let's be honest, it was like wearing a nightgown. Like, it was so comfortable. So comfort level, 10 out of 10. Cute level, I want to say a 5 or 6 out of 10, because although it was like cute, I don't think it was ideal for my body type and my body shape. The comfort there is astronomical. That's pretty much all I have to say about that one. So let's move on to the next shirt. Quick little side note, this next clip and the clips after this from the Tryon room, excuse me, what? From the fitting room, they are filmed on my phone because my vlog camera died. And I want you guys to tell me in the comments below, do you prefer the phone footage or the vlog camera footage? Because I'm cool with doing either one, but I can't decide which footage I like better. And I think it matters more what you guys like. Like, which footage do you guys prefer? Because I mean, these are ultimately, like, this is meant to be watched by you guys. So tell me in the comments below which footage you like better. Cool. Also give this video a like and subscribe. So this Rolling Stone shirt was super cute. I loved that it was like a tank with the cut off sleeves. So cute. Absolutely loved it. Tried it on in a size 3. The only thing is that because I'm apple shaped, I normally don't like shirts that just go straight down me, because usually it's not wide enough. Hugs everything I don't want it to hug on my tum-tum. It almost hangs like that shirt did that hung off the boobs. Like, that's kind of how their shirts almost fit me sometimes. Now, I liked this shirt a lot. Like, I liked it even on me, but the only thing I didn't like was that I felt like it caught every nook and cranny of my tum-tum, and I just don't like, that just wasn't flattering to me. Like, I didn't really love that. So I love the shirt so much and I thought it looked so cool, but I just didn't love the shape it gave me. I just didn't, yeah, I didn't vibe with the shape it gave me. I tried it on in a size 3, and I do feel like if I went up to a size 4, which normally that's what I would have done because I'm just like, well, I always just want it to be baggy, whatever. I think if I went up to a size 4, although I did love the look of the shirt and just like the vibe of the shirt all around and everything about that, I just didn't like the way it fit me around the tum-tum, unfortunately. So I'm gonna give this shirt an 8 out of 10 because absolute, like, please go try it on if you do like the way it looks. Like, go try it on for you because I'm sure it'll look freaking good as heck on you. But for me, yeah, there was just the tum-tum part I just didn't like, and plus it was white and I felt like it was almost like, you know what I mean? When things are white and you got rolls, it's even like worse. Like, it's harder to hide. The next shirt was the same as the previous shirt, but it's like the Beatles, and it was the darker color. It was almost like a grayish black, and I liked this one a lot better. I liked the look of it on me because I felt like it didn't hug me as tight or just as much. I'm not really sure because I tried it on in the same size, a size 3, and it just felt a little bit looser for some reason. But I mean, I'm pretty sure it was like the same shirt. So I don't know why that is. Maybe there's just a little bit of difference between shirts, or maybe it's the color difference that makes it different. I don't know. But I absolutely loved this one on me. I thought it was super, like, not grungy, because it's not like super grungy. Like, I'm not claiming that I'm super grungy, but I did love the vibe of it, I guess I'll just say. Like, I loved the aesthetic and the vibe of it. It was just very, very cute. And over the jeans. It was just the perfect look, this top and the jeans. I absolutely loved this top. The previous top, I feel like if it wasn't white, I would have liked it better, but I also liked the white on me. It was just in my tummy area that I didn't like the white. But this shirt, I feel like I would be more comfortable wearing it out because I wouldn't feel like I have to keep, you know, like pulling it and making sure that I look like smooth. Definitely recommend trying it out at your store if you guys are going to check out some Torrid. What? This tank I tried on in a size 3, and I was really disappointed because it fit way too snug, like straight down and like hugged my body, and I was like, I really wanted the vibe of this one to be like almost empire waist, like hug the boobs and then go down. Like that's what I wanted this one to be, and it was really disappointing. And underneath that, if you can see, I'm not wearing a regular bra, I'm wearing one of their bralettes I wanted to try on, but I wasn't sure if this would get demonetized if I showed the bralette, so I didn't. But I tried on their like coral color bralette, and I have to say it's super comfy. I tried it on in size 3. Super comfortable, but I didn't feel like, and as you can see in the video, I didn't feel like it really like gave me, not that I need support, but I need my stuff to be pushed up and in. I would have preferred more structure in the bralette. I still wanted it to be comfortable, but I wanted more structure, so I'm not really sure how you attain that. That's probably why I can never find a bralette that like really works for me. But yeah, so I was hoping that like I would love the bralette and I would love the shirt and it would go with the jeans and it would just be perfect. But unfortunately, the shirt I just did not like on my body at all. I just felt like it didn't do anything for my curves. It didn't do anything for my tum-tum except for like accentuate it. And I'm sorry, I love my tum-tum, but that's not what I'm trying to do. It was just not for me, but I loved the top part of it. It was so cute. Top part though, that goes from like the neck to the chest, that's like the crisscrossy thing or whatever, the openings. So cute. I definitely recommend if you don't care about it hugging your tum-tum, or if you're just a different shape and it wouldn't even like be a thing for you, definitely go try this on because it is the cutest shirt ever. I just wish it fit different on me. So that, oh, it's so cute. And definitely try their bralettes just to see if they work for you. But I will say that I felt like they just didn't give enough structure to make it like worth buying, because I'm like, well, it literally looks like I'm wearing a sports bra, so why don't I just buy like a cheap sports bra at Walmart? Like, yeah. So yeah, I'll have to give this one, I want to give it a 6 out of 10 because I think it's the cutest shirt ever off of me, and then once you put it on me, it just dings it down 4 points. So this, yeah, this was just a no for me. 6 out of 10, so cute, but on me, it was just a no-go. That's all right, we'll get them next time. Then I tried on this little jean jacket vest thingy in a size 3, and it was the cutest. And I actually wear one of these every single day, like all the time in the summer, because I hate wearing a bra. I think we all know this if you've watched any of my videos. I hate wearing a bra, and so what I like to do is wear a dress, and instead of wearing a bra, I just throw on this little jean vest, and you can't tell what's going on right here. So that's a little tip for you guys. If you don't like wearing bras and your chest is small enough, like mine, no one can tell if you've got a little jean jacket on because jean jackets are thick. So that's a little tidbit. And yeah, the size 3 fit perfect. It buttoned up all the way if I needed it to, but then it also was able to hang and like show the middle, which is what I would want, because it just like, it perfectly covers the boobs. So that's what I wanted, and it was perfect. And 10 out of 10 for this like jean vest. So cute. It's gonna be perfect for all the dresses that I want to wear without a bra. I love the color of it. I love that it's more of like a medium to almost light wash rather than a dark wash, because that's what I prefer in the summer. Who doesn't love a jean vest in the summer? Because you get the cute jean like retro look, but you don't have to deal with like the long sleeves and the shoulders being all constricted, or just the heat of the jean jacket. So like you get all the cuteness without all of the unnecessary like heat and uncomfortability. So 10 out of 10 on comfort, 10 out of 10 on cute. So 20 out of 20. That's what this was. Best jean vest ever. All right, you guys. So now is the big reveal. First, I got the top. I bought this top. I thought it was just the cutest on me. Cherries, you guys. How cute is that? It's little cherries. Oh, this is so cute. And with the jean jacket, like imagine this with the jean vest and some jeans. So cute. And I probably already gave this away by what I literally just said, but I got the jean vest. Oh, you guys, if you could feel this material, it's the softest jean material ever. It's so comfy, so cute. Oh, love. I cannot wait to start wearing this. And I've needed a new one because my one that I have and that I wear all the time is a size 0, you guys. And it's been like 4 years. Like I've had it for like 4 years. Like I've worn it to death. I've worn it to death. Like, It's falling apart, but I just like, it's the perfect thing to cover up the boobs. It's just, I can't not wear it and I can't throw it away. So instead I just got a new one, and now hopefully I can just probably, cause it's one of those things where I've worn it so much, I don't think I could sell it on Poshmark. I think it needs to go in the trash. And this one, surprise, I didn't try this one on. I didn't try this one on in the dressing room because I kind of grabbed it on the way out, but it's a black, and then it's got like the black and white stripes on it, and it's a racerback bralette. I wanted to grab this because it's got a little bit of padding, which will help hide the nip, if you know what I mean. And the fabric, if you could feel this, is so soft. And mostly my problem with bras and stuff like that, and even bralettes, is that it's always like lacy or it's like scratchy material. And I have such sensitive skin that really, really bothers and affects me. And I can't do it. And so when I felt that material, I was like, I'm gonna give this a try, because even if it doesn't really like, you know, help my shape, like help bring them up and whatever, like if it's comfortable and can hide the nip, like that's fine. Like I need something that I can either wear around the house or just when I'm going out when I don't really care. But like, I also want to not have my boobs flopping everywhere. You know what I mean? So yeah. Okay, you guys, that was everything I got and everything I tried on. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to become a part of the Lecialicious family. You know you want to. And comment below, let me know wherever else you want me to go do a try on haul from. And also comment below and tell me your favorite piece and all the other things I asked you to comment below. Do that as well if you want. And I will see you guys in my next one.